good Wednesday evening. Tomorrow, Thursday, is an ABC 17 storm track weather alert day for heat. We don't expect severe weather, but we are tracking potential for storms this evening. In fact, we're watching a little activity here in the very northeastern corner of the state, Missouri. We're looking at Shelby County there, just north of that, maybe a little activity starting to develop. This could impact folks in that neck of the woods here in mid-Missouri. I'm talking north of I-70 generally. This is where we could see some spotty thunderstorms, a rumble of thunder at most. I think thunderstorms could be overselling it. I don't want to paint the picture of any strong storms. We won't see that, but we will see a few rumbles of thunder possible. It's very isolated, and most of us will stay dry tonight. Temperatures stay warm heading into the overnight hours. Take a look at this. 83 there at 11 o'clock, falling to maybe upper 70s just before sunrise there. Future track showing low 80s for some communities here across mid-Missouri by 7 a.m. Thursday. That's a part of this heat wave that we're in. Not only is it going to be really hot in the afternoon, but it's going to be hard to recover overnight. Take a look at how hot it gets in the afternoon. By noon, we're looking at almost 100 across mid-Missouri on Thursday. Drier and hotter is the trend, and we're going to continue that into the afternoon. Temperatures reaching potentially as high as 104 to 105 in some places. 104 is the forecast for Columbia. Again, understand that some places could be warmer than that, especially in downtown areas. So maybe downtown Columbia could beat that 104, but overall, it's hot. That's what you should know. Heading into Friday, again, same thing. Temperatures only falling to about 80 by sunrise. Some of us in the upper 70s, but still not much consolation there for us. We've got a chance for maybe some spotty rainfall Friday morning. Overall, though, again, largely hot and dry. Friday by noon, again, we're back to near 100, so we're going to do it all again Friday afternoon. So here's tonight's forecast. Warm in the 90s through about 10 o'clock. We're in the 80s through early tomorrow morning. And again, we won't fall much farther than that. We'll stay dry and mostly clear. But really, that clear sky, a lot of times we talk about that helping us cool efficiently. It doesn't do that for us tomorrow. Here we are tomorrow afternoon, Thursday afternoon, Friday afternoon. Temperatures themselves, 103, 104, close to 105. The feels like temperature a few degrees warmer than that. So that's going to put us in that 105 to 110 window. And that's really the concern window for just about anyone walking around for an extended period of time or being outside for an extended period of time. That can be dangerous for folks. So it's not just heat-sensitive individuals Thursday and Friday, and that's why we have our ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day. You may have seen Saturday a little cooler. We've got dangerous heat building into the weekend. Cold front, though, pushes through, brings a chance for some rain and some slightly cooler air. Still hot, though, on Saturday and Sunday, but a little bit of a break from the extreme heat. But that, being a result of this northerly flow, aloft is going to change as this high pressure moves back in from the west. We've been talking about this heat being a result of that high pressure just being nearby. Well, next week it's mostly overhead or just to our south, and that will protect us from this northerly flow. So that's going to allow heat to build again as we get into days like Tuesday and Wednesday, or at least that's where signs are pointing right now. And so you'll see temperatures at 104 Thursday, near 103, 104 on Friday. We'll get a bit of a break into the upper 90s maybe on Saturday, and Sunday more likely. And Monday as well, we're in the 90s there, but you're going to see those temperatures start to climb likely near the middle of next week as that high pressure kind of builds back into mid-Missouri. So the heat, while extreme Thursday and Friday, it's likely here to stick around, even if less extreme, at least for the next week.